Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the Kwikee Series RV step. This is going to be a double step for your RV, and it can replace or upgrade your existing step to make sure that you have a proper working one. So the nice thing about the Kwikee Series is that they give you a really solid step for your RV. They usually just work. A lot of them come OEM with your RV, so this could be just a direct replacement of something that's maybe not working anymore, or again, just upgrading something to a little bit different. This is a double step again, as you can see, so we're going to have our two steps to help us get into the RV more easily, and this is a powered step as well, so you don't have to worry about operating it manually. It's going to just deploy whenever you open the door on your RV and then retract whenever you close that door back up. On the top of each step, we'll have this kind of coarse sandpaper material to help give you a better grip on that step and make it easier to keep your footing and all that. And there's also that visibility yellow line to make sure that you can still see it in low light conditions. This does come with the wiring harness to get it installed, so especially if you're adding this to a vehicle that didn't have a step already or it had a different manufacturer, this is going to be really important to get that wiring in place. It does come with instructions on how to wire this up. This just gives it power and ground and allows it to have all the features like the manual override. So if you happen to turn on the ignition and the step is still out, it will automatically come back in. And likewise, if you open up the door, if you open the door and the step comes out and it hits something, it will stop and then come back instead of just trying to keep pushing through whatever that is. So if you hit like a concrete pylon or anything like that, it shouldn't keep trying to plow on through. It should come back and save the motor from any kind of damage that might occur there. As far as measurements with this, I'll go over those with you to make sure that this is going to be the right fit for your RV. The steps themselves, the side-to-side measurement is 24 inches, so I'll show you that right here. So 24 inches side to side, and then the depth of the step is 10 3/4 inches. The rise is right about 8 1/4, so just over 8 inches there. And the total height from the bottom of the step to the top of the mounting plate is 17 3/8 inches. The mounting plate up at the top, as far as the outer dimensions there, it measures about 25 3/4 inches from the very outermost point, which is going to be the hinges right here. And then the bolt pattern, if we go from the outermost holes center to center, that is 21 1/2 inches. And then the bolt holes going front to back, that is 12 inches. There's another hole right at the front, and so if you go to the outer two holes, it's 13 inches. So 21 1/2 by 12 or 13 inches. Again, it does come with the motor already in place. We also have the door sensor switch, so this allows us to override the step coming out and coming back in every time we open or close that door. So if you're at the campsite and you want that door to, or the step to stay out and deployed rather than it coming in and out, you can set this to override that manual function. But again, as soon as you turn on the ignition, the step will come back in. It does have that automatic function with it as well. But that's pretty much all there is to it for our look at the Kwikee Series step. I hope this has been helpful in deciding if this is going to be the right one for you. We do have a lot of options available here at etrailer.com, along with a lot of other accessories for your RVs, so check them out. Thanks for watching.